Hi guys, welcome to another vlog, and today we have the Honda Elevate and the Skoda Kushaq 1 liter TSI. This is the red Skoda Kushaq Monte Carlo, which you have seen on my channel before as well for the comparison review, and of course the Elevate, which you keep seeing again and again, as because I don't have any other car to brag about. So we'll start with a drag race and we'll end with roll races. Let me tell you the specs about the Honda Elevate. It carries a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated IVTEC engine. This has a 1 liter TSI turbo stratified injection engine, and obviously this produces 121 bhp, this produces 115 bhp, but the torque output is very less as compared to this one because it has a 145 newton meters of torque, and this just pumps out a torque output of about 178 newton meters of torque, so which is a lot because of the turbocharger. And according to the naturally aspirated spec sheet, Elevate wins over every car if you compare it with Creta, Kia, Vitara and all those other brands. So yes, according to me, Elevate can pull through because this is mated to a torque converter gearbox, which is a 6-speed automatic torque converter gearbox, and this is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox. So manual always has an advantage because a manual is a manual is a manual. And we'll see you on this track strip in a while. These are the specs, and both cars are running 17-inch wheels, so grip levels are going to be same. Aerodynamics are going to be the same because both are SUVs, pseudo SUV. So let's see you on the track. And I forgot one more point, that this car weighs at about 1260 kilograms, and this car weighs at about 1290-ish kilograms. So the weight is mostly same, 30-40 kilograms less. So it's not going to be a major considering factor for the drag race. Okay guys, so we are here for the first drag. I have opened the sun blind for better aerodynamic efficiency.
Really get it. And here in your advantage, and there we see the movable rear wing in action.
My car is going to be in manual mode because it is a manual. Traction control, traction off?
Traction on है मेरा.
ठीक है, अभी traction on, AC भी on, off, AC off. And yeah, we'll begin the drag from here. It's a little banked curve, so that's what we have to do right now. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Okay, so there was a little mismatch.
What happened, buddy?
थोड़ा मिसमैच हो गया स्टार्ट में. पहले मैं आगे आया, फिर मैं एक्चुअली स्टार्ट करी तूने, तो
अच्छा.
वो मेरा डिले, मैं जंप कर, हाँ मतलब लॉन्च ठीक हुआ बट जंप करने वाला था मैं, तो फिर मैं रुक गया, फिर मैं दोबारा आगे आया, तब तक हो गया. ठीक है. So now we are going to deploy 2 cones over here because that will mark the 400 meters. ठीक है. Okay guys, so we have placed our cones and now we are ready to race, and we have turned off the traction control and the AC. Okay, so the Elevate won this race, but literally by an inch, not even by a mile, by an inch. So that was a scary one. Not a scary one, but a risky one actually. Very close, very close. I started to feel like my wing mirrors were hanging for dear life because of the bounciness of the surface of the road. But I think Elevate won that, and Kushak had a better launch, so we'll give it to the Elevate this time. But Kushak was very close. Like, we'll show you the flyby of both of these cars.
क्या रेस थी भाई ये,
बहुत
क्या
अच्छी
रेस थी, इतना ज्यादा क्लोज,
इतनी जल्दी हमने स्टार्ट करा विदाउट एनी, बहुत बढ़िया थी. बट एलिवेट 1 इंच से ही आगे रही है.
देखना पड़ेगा. एलिवेट आ गया.
यस, एलिवेट आ गया. मैनुअल ठीक है. ट्रैक्शन ऑफ, एसी ऑफ. ठीक है, ट्रैक्शन एसी ऑफ, ट्रैक्शन ऑफ एज वेल. ठीक है. So what happened was that I was ahead of the, as you all saw, I was ahead of the Kushak all that time. But in the end, when I shifted from third and it was at a brink of I think it was at 6,900 RPM, I shifted to to the fourth gear, and there I missed the gear. I was about to shift to 6th instead. Something happened. I missed the gear totally. The gear, as I told you, the gearbox is not that slick and smooth to use, but nevertheless. अच्छा हुआ पता क्या था? थर्ड गियर तक I was very ahead. उसके बाद मेरे से गियर मिस हो गया.
अच्छा.
बेसिकली ये हो गया, कुछ ऐसा यहाँ चला गया. एंड फोर्थ गियर फिर शिफ्ट डाला, फिर मैंने वापस पकड़ा, तभी तो मैं एकदम से पीछे हुआ था. इनमें जर्क हुआ था थोड़ा. मैं आगे ही था.
अच्छा,
वो टेक्निकली वो वही जीती, वो बस मिस एंड में हुआ है. नोची है गियर बॉक्स, मैं कह रहा हूँ थोड़ा है.
सिटी वाला जैसा नहीं है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है. सिटी को तो ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं है सिटी में.
हाँ.
चाहे घटिया गियर शिफ्टिंग भी करो आप.
चल आ जाए एक और लास्ट. तीसरी ड्राइव, 3 ड्राइव होगी ना.
हाँ, थर्ड थी.
अभी रोल करते हैं.
थर्ड ठीक है, रोड. ओके, सो here for the first roll race we did 3 track races, and first gear 20, so we'll start. So the outcome of this race was that Elevate won the roll race very easily. So simple, so elegant. Oh no, elegance Skoda's tagline. Elegancy is something they do. Simply clever.
ड्राइव में है गाड़ी, ठीक है.
मेरा एसी ऑन रह गया, शायद ऑन रह गया इस बार. तब तो ठीक है. फिर अगर मैंने जंप जरा सा कर भी लिया तो फिर तो बनता है. बट अभी तूने देखा, मैंने एक सिंगल उसमें वो ले लिया पूरा यू टर्न. सिंगल में तो छोटी भी है ना भाई लेंथ में. मेरी इतनी बढ़िया. ठीक है. सेकंड फर्स्ट गियर 20, सेकंड रोल रेस.
दो हॉर्न दूंगा, इस बार 3 नहीं दूंगा.
ठीक है,
कम मारा.
ठीक है, ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. Okay guys, so we are starting with the second roll race, traction off, AC off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. First gear at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour will lift off to glory. As you can see the speedometer dial. Okay, he has braked, so I'll have to brake as well. Trying not to use the brakes so much because it will actually affect brakes of my car. Using engine braking, I hope the brakes don't get overheated. I mean, Honda is a reliable company, so that won't be an issue at all. Anyway, I think we'll conclude this race now because the result is going to be the same. देख रिजल्ट सेम रहने वाला है. अब कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, कहीं ना कहीं सेम ही है दोनों का आउटपुट. निकल भी रही है आगे. हाँ, चाहे उसका टॉर्क 178 और इसका 145. मैनुअल है तो इसलिए निकल रही है. सीवीटी होती तो शायद ना भी निकलती.
मैनुअल होती तो वो
एडवांटेज होती. वही बात है, फेयर एंड स्क्वायर है.
अभी तो तेरे पास एडवांटेज है तो तू जीत रहा है.
हाँ, so the golden hour is upon us. मैं मानता हूँ भाई कुशाक. The conclusion of guys, इस वीडियो के बाद देख के ना विटारा मत ले आना घर पे अपने, ठीक है? या क्रेटा, किया. हाँ, किया का तो हो ही गया था इसी स्टेप पे. This video is that Elevate is the faster car after 60 kilometers per hour, but Kushaq leaves Elevate a little bit quicker in the start. So Kushaq has a quick shifting gearbox. Same goes for the Elevate, but it's manual gearbox, so automatic will be a CVT, and that won't be able to pull such numbers. So Elevate wins overall most of the races, and Kushaq loses by just an inch or a mile. So both cars are good in performance. Both cars have similar performance. That being a 3-cylinder turbocharged engine puts on a good show. This being a naturally aspirated and having 30 Newton meters of less torque still puts on a good show. So according to me, both cars were the winners today. And my recommendation to all of you who watches these drag races and thinks that yes, we should get the faster car, please buy according to your needs, what you really want. If you want space, go for the Elevate. If you want a quick shifting automatic gearbox, go for the Kushaq. If you want more sportier looking car, go for the Kushaq. If you want more subtle and elegant looking car, go for the Elevate. Don't compare it by these drag races. It's just for fun and for you guys. So that's my verdict, and we'll see you guys in another video. Maybe we'll bring this one back for a tug of war next time. Goodbye.
दूसरी चीज़ जो है वो यही है कि ये 7-8 bhp कम है, तो वो माइन्यूट सा डिफरेंस है, उसकी वजह से फ़र्क पड़ सकता है. एंड थर्ड एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डिफरेंस जो है वो यही है कि कुशाक जो है वो एक ऑटोमेटिक ट्रांसमिशन से बेहतर, एंड एलिवेट जो है मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन